Good afternoon, all of you. Myself Sonali Tambe. Today's my non-technical topic name is data type in Java. There are two data type. First is primitive and second is non-primitive. The data type in Java has several data types divided into two categories: primitive data type and one is reference data type or non-primitive data type. Here is in detail I explain all detail in data types. First is primitive data type. Primitive data type are the most basic data types available in Java. There are 8 primitive data types and they are not objects. They are predefined by the language and name by the reversal keywords. Then second is byte. First data type name is byte. Their size is 8 bit. Their value range is minus 128 to 127. Then second is default value is 0. User saves spaces in large array where memory saving are most needed. Then short size, their short size is 16 bit. Value range is minus 220 32 to 33 7 67. Default value is 0. Usage also used to save memory as byte. Data type short can be used to instead of int to save a memory in large arrays. Then int, their int size is 32 bit. Value range is minus 2 31 to 31 minus 1. The default value are 0. Then usage generally that is used as a default data type for integral values unless there is a concern about memory long. And then long size is 64 bit. Value range is 263 to 262. Then default value are 0. Usage that is used when a wider range then it is needed. Then second float, their size is 32 bit. That is floating points value range varies approximately. There is too long value in that space. Default value there is 0 0.0 that is used to save a memory in a large array of floating points numbering sufficient for storing 6 to 7 decimal digits. Then double, their size is 64 bit. That is 754 floating points. Then value range varies approximately 1.7976. Then their default value are 0.0 d. Then their use of for decimal values, this data type is generally the default choice. Double data types is more precious than float. Then boolean data type, that is the size is 1 bit. Value range true or false, there is fixed value. And then default value there is false, that is used for a simple flag that tracks true or false condition. Then char data type, their size is 16 bit unicode character value. Then their range there is 0 to UFF and default value are 0. That is used to store any character. That reference data type means non primitive data type, that is also called reference data type. Then the reference data type are a object that can hold more complex type of data. They are not predefined like primitive data type and are created by the programmer. Then first of all I tell you some information about classes. A class is a blueprint from which individual objects are created. A class contains a field, variable, or methods to describe the behavior of an object. Then interfaces. An interface is a reference type similar to a class that can be contain only constants, method, signature, that default methods, static methods, and nested types. Interfaces cannot contain any implementation of the method, only the signature. Then arrays, an array is a container object that holds a fixed number of values of a single types. The length of an array is established when the array is created. After the creation, its length is fixed. Enum, that is, then enum are a special Java type used to define a collection of constants. And enum is a special class that represent a group of constants that unchangeable variable like a final variable. That's like a final variable cannot change in that way. That auto boxing and unboxing in Java provides the concept of auto boxing and unboxing to automatically convert between a primitive data type and their corresponding wrapper classes. Then a reference type. The wrapper classes of each primitive type, that is each primitive type as in which classes and objects. Their primitive data type and non-primitive data type also is used in Java. The primitive data type are the predefined data type in Java, and non-primitive means reference data type are non-user defined, means value are not fixed in the reference data type. That's all about data type. Thank you.